The assembly of an airplane consists of about 20,000 rivets. A qualified operator takes between 10 and 15 seconds to check the quality of a single rivet. About 80 hours of work by an operator is required to check 20,000 rivets. With the Rivet Inspect solution, inspection is done in less than a second and traceability is immediately accessible. In riveting assembly processes, manufacturers often report the same difficulties, such as knowing the exact location of the hole and its diameter after drilling, perceiving and measuring the depth of the milling, avoiding deflection or incorrect inclination when fixing rivets. The Rivet Inspect solution detects, measures and locates defects at each step of the riveting process, from drilling to riveting and milling. The control is done by artificial vision. It is contactless and is accurate to 1/100th of a millimeter. Any type of rivet can be inspected on any type of material. Rivet Inspect can also be integrated quickly and easily on production lines. Rivet Inspect is a reliable and real-time production control tool that ensures decision-making so that repair operations can be reduced. Manufacturers save between 30 to 50% on control times compared to conventional means. Productivity gains can finally be estimated to be in the range of 20 to 30%. The range of Rivet Inspect solutions offers two systems: a dynamic solution with Scan Rivet, a static solution with Snap Rivet. Discover the benefits of these solutions in the Rivet Inspect brochure.